There is something lurking in this bathroom that smells so horrible. So, I got my friend the bleach out. And I took the stopper out of the sink a while ago because I wanted to clean in there. And I couldn't get it back in. So I had to plug up the sink with a face cloth. This is how I'm getting the smell out of this bathroom. It's like a gaseous, gross kind of smell. I can't take it anymore. I thought it was the drains in the shower and the tub, because sometimes if you don't use use one or the other, like if you don't take a shower every day and you use your bath or vice versa, then it can start to have a smell. So, from the trap, they say. So, I ended up ruling that out. So now, what I'm doing is I filled this up, and I have to clean the bathroom. Yes, I do. Now, let's just do a little clean right here. Yeah, so, all right. Don't be afraid. If you have a stopper, don't be afraid to let your water run. You can stand there and watch it if you want. But I put bleach in this, and now I let it run through the drain hole thing. And you can see some of the stuff from the drain hole is like floating around in the sink, which is pretty gross, yes. I should have gloves on, but I'm not going to. I'm going to show you how gross the bottom of the sink is. Yeah, this is a cleaning channel. Okay, you're going to see some gross stuff, okay? This is pretty gross. I don't know what that is. But this has been running. I should actually, now I can stop using my hot water and just use, oh, that's wrong. Just use the cold water. Now listen. See? It's just going to go in there. It's going to keep going in that little hole. All right, so that is making it so that it doesn't run all over your floor and go down into the next floor. So I'm going to, I've given this like about probably 5 minutes because I want that to really drain. I used to do this and I forgot that that's what I did in my other house. I did it like a lot because I had a lot of kids. All right, so this is coming out of here. And I have to be really careful of this now because this is all bleach. So this has to go with all bleach things. Otherwise, it will ruin everything. So I threw some towels and things in my tub. I'm going to put those with that. Let's see, like with my, there. All right, so that's good. Now, this is really gross. This is very vulnerable of me to do this. Probably gonna, okay. Now down here, I used to clean this. See this? This needs to be cleaned too. And I can't do it with one hand. Okay, now don't leave that, this is actually cheap paper towels, and I shouldn't be using these cheap paper towels because I don't want them to get stuck down there. So if I had Bounty, it would be so much better. And I do, it's downstairs. Well, it's not too bad actually, but usually that can be really gross in there. I mean, that's kind of gross as it is. But since I've been using this was really cheap at Marshall's. It's really cut back on it. See that? How clean that is? All right, now I'm going to get some of this paper towel and see if there's anything in here that I can get at. not really. All right, so I'm hoping it was just this, because I can't stand this smell. It's like, can't even describe it. I don't know. It's gross. I have these things that I put in my laundry, in my washing machine, that make the laundry smell better, but that wouldn't have worked in here. Okay, now I'm going to use some of this. This is just a Lysol wipe. Now I go get this disgusting smells. Oh my goodness, that's so gross. I got deeper down in there. Oh, yeah, that's gross. That's probably where the smell's coming from. I'm not smelling it. No. Couldn't pay me to do that. Okay. You have to take a Lysol wipe, and you have to really not lose it, but you have to go deep in there and like clean that drain. This is gross. Okay, I still think there's more. Okay, you ready? This is gonna be gross. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of bacteria. Yeah, I'm gonna be scrubbing my hands with bleach after this. Yeah. I definitely wished I had my gloves now, but too late. Too late. Is it too late? Well, let me see. Do I have any gloves over here? Oh, yeah. No, it's not too late. Okay. I'm putting on the glove. You wanted to see something really gross, right? Yeah, well, you got it. Okay, it's really gross inside the strain. This is 10 plus years. I wonder why it smells in this bathroom. Oh boy. And I certainly don't want that on my counter. When is this thing going to end? I mean, I don't want to lose this thing down there. Boy, will I get in trouble. It's getting better. It's getting better. Here, I thought it was all from that drain. It's got to be from in there. Oops. I should have a bag in that garbage with this nastiness. Okay. Can't go any further in there. I suppose I could get something. No. Well, I mean, this can't be just my bathroom. I thought it was like just because it was moisture in the air. This is where the trap was.
My theory is that it's
Well,
coming
I think that's pretty
from
good.
toothpaste and mouthwash. You know how on the handle of your toothbrush, it gets that white stuff on it?
Just
Yeah,
tiny.
yours does too.
Okay,
Don't
that's
act
gonna be
like
good
it
now.
doesn't. That's probably what this grossness is.
My hands again. That's all right. My hands
Now
need to
let's
be
get
clean
this sink
after that
Get
mess.
these hands
All right, this is more bleach. I know, it's bad for the pipes. But you know what? That grossness was bad for the breathing. There. Okay, now I'm going to call that a good clean. sink. And I start off using this. This is where I'm going to throw that cloth on top of that. Oh, I already did. And I have my other things there. I'm going to rinse this. Oh, and you know, nothing like a good smell of bleach. Makes you feel like everything's clean. And I think it is. Okay, I think I'm going to sleep good tonight, knowing that that smell is on its way out of here. There, this goes back to the laundry room. I'll put these cheap paper towels away. That messy under the sink is not going to be shown. Okay. There's, oop. See, got my pajamas on. There's my Brad, there's my Jessica, and that's it. If you want to see more gross things, I got plenty of them. Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and you're probably going to see a lot more stuff because it's encouraging. Okay, don't judge me. Tell me you got a problem too, and maybe this fixed yours. Okay, see you the next time. Okay, so now if you really want to clean your bathroom really good, don't forget to clean under here too.